Nurhaliza Syaharani, number 5.
I for me option number 9
And option 15, option 20.
and will be presenting styrofoam management for cleaner environment. Okay. I will start by introduction. Now we are going to talk about styrofoam waste that is utilized into a valuable product. First, we are going to look at the meaning of non-biodegradable materials, and then we would like to explore the dangers of styrofoam waste, and lastly, we will tell you about the benefit of styrofoam waste. That's all I have to say about introduction. Next, turning to explanation, it will be presented by Atalia. Thank you, Dipa. Before we go any further, let's learn about what non-biodegradable materials are. Non-biodegradable materials are materials that cannot naturally decompose through biological process in the environment, thus remaining intact for a long time without undergoing degradation. Waste from these materials can only be reused by converting it into new material. If you are seeing pie chart all around the world, just around 10% of non-biodegradable trash is actually managed well. Example of non-biodegradable materials include plastic, metals, and one of them is styrofoam. Well, I have taught you about non-biodegradable materials. Moving on now to the negative impact of styrofoam, it will be presented by Alvina Aziza.
Okay, let's begin by the negative impact of styrofoam. 1. Hard to decompose. Styrofoam is waste that can decompose within 100 years. If it is not recycled properly, it will damage the environment. 2. Air pollution. When burned, styrofoam produces black that causes air pollution that will harm the environment. 3. Contains harmful compounds. Styrofoam contains styrene and benzene compounds that can migrate and potentially contaminate food, causing human health problems. Well, I've taught you about negative impact of styrofoam. Let's move on to look at solution. It will be presented by Diva Aura Ivan.
I will start by the solution. One solution to reduce styrofoam waste is by utilizing it as a mixing material in the production of lightweight brick or styrofoam bricks. Styrofoam waste is used as a partial substitute for sand in the brick mixture, resulting in light brick with earthquake resistant characters. That's all I have to say about solution. And next, turning to conclusion, it will be presented by Kofi.
Thank you. In conclusion, styrofoam management is vital to creating a cleaner and healthier environment. By reducing the use of styrofoam, promoting recycling, and adopting sustainable materials, we can minimize environmental damage. Cooperation among individuals, industry, and government is essential to control styrofoam waste and protect the planet for future generations.
What can be taken from this issue? Choose nature, choose life. These short quotes invite people to make environmentally friendly choices like avoiding non-biodegradable materials such as styrofoam.
And the following is a list of the bibliography that our group has taken.
Does anyone have any questions?
Pertama, pencapaian everyone langsung untuk
Where is Putri?
My name is Naswatul Malasasa. The question is,
What's your name?
Naswa Putri. The question is, what are the most common alternative to styrofoam?
Do you understand the question?
Artinya apa yang paling alternatif paling sering atau paling bisa digunakan selain bisa pakai styrofoam?
Repeat the question, please. Repeat the question.
What are
Wait. Listen, please.
what are the most common alternative to styrofoam?
Oh, okay.
Alternatif selain styrofoam.
Oh, what is the most common ya? Berarti yang paling umum alternatif dari styrofoam itu apa? Silakan didiskusikan.
To answer Naswa question, we can use hospital waste from mass. We can make a brick from hospital waste from mass.
Hospital waste is mass.
Do you understand the answer? Understand or no?
We can use another alternative from hospital waste from mass.
Baik, siapa tadi kan yang ngomong? Naswa ya. Tadi kalau kamu tangkap apa kata apa?
Kita dapat menggunakan alternatif lain.
Hospital waste berarti. Tadi apa tuh? Dalam bentuk apa? Terus? Good. Baik, next ya, please group 5 please.
Why did you choose this topic? I will translate the question for
kenapa memilih topik ini.
Answer questions from here.
Because a lot of styrofoam waste is not recycled and used to causes many environmental problems. Because a lot of styrofoam waste is not recycled and causes many environmental problems.
Jadi nasihat Indonesia ya, jadi banyak kasus terus misal styrofoam gila-gila gitu.
Because a lot of styrofoam waste is not recycled and used to causes many environmental problems.
It's not recycled and
Causes many environmental problems.
environmental problems. Because many styrofoam waste are not recycled and causes many environmental problems. Pak, kamu namanya apa? Karena banyaknya sampah styrofoam yang didaur ulang dan causes of cause. Tampaknya masalah bukan masalah lingkungan. Causes, because itu kan ya, because berarti cause-nya bukan cases tapi cause. Because dari kata because artinya. Jadi kalau cause-nya adalah menyebabkan. Masalah lingkungan. Yang masalah lingkungan itu yang environmental problem. Oke, thank you. Sekian ya. Oke, kalau untuk yang lainnya silakan boleh menambahkan, kalau tidak silakan.
Before we close our presentation, let's once again read the slogan together. 1, 2, 3. Choose nature, choose life. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.